Hey guys, EX Gaming Life Safety Guy here. This is going to be board system test number 1. As you can see, my dog has joined me in this test. We're going to be setting up this board I just made today. And yeah, let's go ahead and start. Alright guys, so the alarms I'm going to be using today is the FCI MS-2 and the system sensor Spectra Classic. So let's go ahead and set that up. Okay. Now let's set up the system sensor Spectra Classic now. So let's see. It goes like that. Alright. Let's do this. Alright, I want to do a little magic trick. Here we go. Whoop. Alright, now I just wired it. Now let's wire the FCI MS-2. Alright, so basically just gonna get this. Open that up. Get that. Put it in and close the station. Make sure it's nice and tight. Give it a little tug to make sure. Get the other wire. Open the station. And lock the wire in with the other screw. Pull it. Make sure they're both tight. And then, boom. We just wired the FCI MS-2. Now let's get to the testing part. Alright, I went ahead and hooked it up to the system sensor Spectra Classic. It is now hooked up. It's on code 3. So let's get started. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. As you can see, it is now an alarm. I can't push this back up. It remains alarm. You can see, it's all hooked up. Now what we have to do is reset the alarm so we can shut it off. You get your FCI key, put it in the station, twist it, then you flip down the switch and it deactivates the alarm. But since it's not on a panel, this automatically turns off the alarm. What you have to do is reset the panel. But first you have to reset the pull station or else it'll go back an alarm again. Basically, a fire alarm is a fancy way to flip a switch up. So when this switch is flipped up, it will alarm the alarm. So yeah, it's a pretty great alarm. As you see, FCI, if it's gonna focus, FCI MS-2. Basically, just do that. Take out the key, and then yeah. Alright guys, this concludes board system test number 1. I hope to see you guys again soon in another video. Thanks for watching.